This is Dr. Surya Dupal, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, University of North Bengal. Today I will discuss about how to calculate location quotient. First, I discuss about the location quotient. Location quotient is the ratio that provides a convenient way to examine the specialization of economic activity in a region. When the proportion of any characteristic in any area is studied in relation to its population in the region, the ratio used is known as location quotient. Location quotient is basically a way of quantifying how concentrated a particular industry, cluster, occupation, or demographic group is in a region as compared to the nation. It can reveal what makes a particular region unique in comparison to the national average. In more exact terms, location quotient is a ratio that compares a region to a larger reference region according to some characteristic or asset. Suppose X is the amount of some asset in a region and Y is the total amount of assets of comparable types in the region. X by Y is then the regional concentration of that asset in that region. If X1 and Y1 are similar data points for some larger reference region like a state or nation, then the location quotient or relative concentration of that asset is the region compared to the nation is X by Y divided by X1 by Y1. Now I will discuss about how to calculate location quotient. Let's start with a question. The question given here is the total population and the total area of the different blocks of Coachbihar district are given below. Find out the areas of relative concentration of population of Coachbihar district by location quotient method from the given data and interpret the result. You see, when you calculate the location quotient, there must be two variables. Here the variables are area and population for the blocks of Coachbihar district. It may be scheduled caste population and total population, or labor employed in a particular industry and labor employed for all the industry in a region. You can calculate the location quotient using a formula. That is population of the block divided by total population of the district divided by area of the block divided by total area of the district. Remember one thing, when you write down the formula for location quotient, you have to write the specific variables that are given in the question. Here I am using population and area that is given in my question. Another thing is that among the two variables, which characteristics is to be studied. Based on this, the variable placed on a numerator in the ratio and other as denominator. Here I have to study the relative concentration of population, therefore I have placed population variable as a numerator. Or it can be shortly write as location quotient equals to Pi divided by P, or that is summation Pi divided by Ai divided by A. Here Pi means population of the individual block and P is the total population of the district. Similarly, AI, that is area of the block, and A, that is the total area of the district. Now, the table for calculation of location quotient. In the question, block-wise area and population has already given. Area in square kilometer and population in 2011 census. Area, the given area treated as a AI and population treated as a PI. So in case of area, you have to calculate the AI divided by A. Here AI is the area of a particular block and A is the area of the district. For example, in case of Kozbihar one block, the area is 361.17 square kilometer and total area of the district is 3363.05 square kilometer, and it gives the result of 0.1074. In this way you have to calculate for all the blocks. Similarly, in case of population, you have to calculate Pi divided by P. Here Pi is the population of a particular block and P is the total population of the district. So in this way you have to calculate Pi divided by P for all the blocks. After calculating AI divided by A and Pi divided by P, you have to put the value in the formula of location quotient, that is Pi divided by P divided by AI divided by A. In case of Kozbihar one block, when you divide the Pi divided by P, the value of Pi divided by P divided by the value of AI divided by A, the results is 1.1533 for Kozbihar one block. So the LQ of other block is to be calculated in the same process. Finally, after calculating the location quotient for all the blocks, you have to prepare a table for nature of distribution. So the value of location quotient which is less than 1 is categorized as unequal distribution, and the value of location quotient is 1, it is categorized as a equal distribution, and the value of location quotient which is more than 1, it represents the higher concentration of distribution. On the basis of the location quotient value, you have to put the name of the blocks for showing the nature of distribution of population. You will see when I put the value of location quotient of the different blocks, it reveals that less than 1 location quotient value under the unequal distribution, there are 7 blocks, that is Sitai, Mathanga 1, Mathanga 2, Shitalkuchi, Makliganj, Haldibarri, Tufanganj 2. And the equal distribution, there is only one block, that is Tufanganj 1. And higher concentration, that is the value of location quotient is more than 1. There are 4 blocks, that is Kozbihar 1, Kozbihar 2, Dinata 1, Dinata 2. And using this table, you have to represent the result through choropleth map. Lastly, you have to interpret the result. In that way, the population density of the different blocks of Kozbihar district is shown with the help of location quotient. The value of LQ is highest in Dinata 1 block, that is 1.3056, and lowest in McLegan's block, that is 0.6556. The blocks of the Coastal districts is categorized as 3 subgroups according to area and population to show the relative concentration of population of Coastal district. The value of location quotient is more than 1 in the blocks of Coastal 1, Coastal 2, Dinata 1, Dinata 2 blocks. So, the nature of population distribution in these blocks is higher concentration or more population reside in relation to area. Only one block, that is Tufanganj 1, the value of location quotient is equals to 1. So this block represent the equal distribution of population in relation to its area. The value of remaining blocks of Coastal district is less than 1. It means there is an unequal distribution of population, or neither concentration of population in relation to area. So in this way you have to interpret the result. Thanks for watching. You can share and subscribe the channel for getting the notification of more videos when I upload it.